Hello, my name is Mohsin Biswas. I'm a student. And my question is, will there be peace on the day of judgment or will there be chaos?
Good question. I like that one. Will there be peace on Yom Kippur? Will there be peace on the day of judgment or will there be chaos? It all depends on whether you accept it now. Because what you accept here is what you'll find there. Simple as that.
Thank you.
No, I want to give you the proof. No, I'm not just going to say a platitude and send you off. Hold on a second, okay? Because our Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said very clearly, nobody will remain in the hellfire except those who refuse. They said, who would refuse to leave the hellfire? He said, those who refuse that message here today. So we, as Muslims, have a responsibility to convey the understanding of true, real peace and how to achieve it. Then if somebody says, no, I don't want that, I want to make up my own way, ma salama, have a good one. And that's the meaning, really, of وَمَا يَبْتَغِي غَيْرُ الْإِسْلَامَ دِينًا فَلَا يُقْبَلَ مِنْهُ وَهُوَ فِي الْآخِرَةِ مِنَ الْخَاسِرِينَ. Allah forgive me for my poor Texas Arabic, but the meaning behind it is very powerful. Whoever wants to make up a different way, a different religion, other than what Allah has commanded for them, whoever doesn't want to have peace with their Lord, they're the losers. They are the real losers. And for sure, that's the ones who will find the chaos. As far as those who said, you know what? I need God to guide me. I'm opening my heart. Surrender, submission, obedience, sincerity, and peace. They'll receive that peace here and the hereafter. Allahu Akbar.
Takbir. How old are you as a Muslim today?